Hi guys, back again with another video. This time it's the sound test of Jabra Halo Fusion. Now the mic on this headphone is over here. Now the sound that you're hearing right now is from the headset itself. So for the first test, we will ride without the helmet, and then you'll see how much of wind noise or traffic noise or whatever you get with it. Now this headset basically does not have any noise cancellation. It does not have another dedicated mic for noise cancellation. The mic is right here. There is no mesh like the Jabra Halo Smart headphone. So let's see how well does it do with uh, traffic. Okay, so ouch. Now this headphone is not that great for music. The sound quality is not at all good. Fit wise, it's fine. You'll barely notice that it's even there. So if you want to see the unboxing of this headset, you can click on that link, and then you can get the unboxing video. You can see the unboxing video. And I've also done a sound test that was in the gym. So if you want to see the sound test video, then you can click on that link too, and you can see that video also. Now we are going to wear the helmet, but with the visor open, so that will simulate open face helmet. So let's wear the helmet first. Wow, hair is really messed up. Okay, so no, actually I'll keep this in. Don't want it to get wet. Okay, so let's go. Now you will not really find much of a difference with the helmet on or off because the mic is over here. So if the helmet is not really blocking out wind, so it won't really make much of a difference. So let's do the last test. Let's close the visor and see if you can hear anything. Now, ideally, when you close the visor, the helmet itself will amplify the sound and send it down from here. So you should be able to hear me even now. The only concern that I'll have is wind noise. So headset like this generally have a lot of problem with wind noise because it's facing the wind directly. So let's see how well does this one do against wind noise. So that's it. Now you can go back. I mean, I'll go back home and then see you again. Bye bye. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now, surprisingly, the sound was not that bad. Now, one good thing with this headphone is that the mic is over here. So, now, since it's over here, it's not really hitting the wind that much. Let me explain. Basically, if the mic is in a place where the wind gets a chance to pass through, then you get the wind brushing sound. So that sound comes when the mic is in a place where the wind can pass through. Now over here, the wind is not able to pass through. It is hitting it, but it doesn't get a chance to pass through. It's not rubbing against it. So that's why the wind noise was not that much. There was a little bit, but not that much. Sound wise, I did not really hear much of the background sound. The vehicles and even my bike's horn was not that loud. So even though it doesn't have a noise cancellation mic, the noise cancellation or isolation, I don't know what to call it, but it was pretty okay. It was pretty decent. It was not that bad. So all in all, I would recommend this for talking. Like if you want to talk on the phone, if you want to use the Bluetooth for calling purpose, it's good. I did not get much of a problem with phone calls. For phone calls, the earphone is decent enough because you don't need a lot of treble or bass while you're talking. You need clarity. So it's clear enough for a phone call. But for music, I will not recommend it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Basically, my next video would be on Mi Band 2. So I've got a lot of requests for Mi Band 2, the bike test to be done on it. So I've done the bike test. So the next video that you'll see would be on the Mi Band 2 bike test. And just for comparison's sake, I'm putting the Fitbit Charge 2 with it, and I'll show you a comparison, real time comparison, where you will see both the bands showing different data. So it'll be a little different kind of a video where everything will be live. There's no cut. The entire video is one take. So I'll see you in the other video. Okay, bye bye.